Okay, welcome everybody. We're going to have a relook at Coke KO. You'll have possibly seen the video from yesterday on CCE, Coca-Cola Enterprise, but this is actual Coke, the company. And you'll see that we've chosen 3 time frames which are focused on a longer term potential trade. And so we've got the daily, the weekly and the monthly up. If we look at these, we look at the daily chart first. We see buying volume, green heat map, green trend, and really we've had a move up over the last 5 days, although we've had 2 fairly major dips down to 42. And at this stage, we've broken this pivot high. We had a close above it in the last session. This is likely to turn green, and we've got the next pivot above is at around about 43.80, and so that would be our potential entry on this as a position. If we look to the weekly chart, we'll also see green volume as the last bar. We are actually still in congestion on the weekly. The combination of green heat map, green buying volume and congestion would be one we would be happy to still trade. Again, we will be cautious of these pivot highs just below $44. And if we look back, you can see how important this level is with pivot highs from March, January 2015 and of course the end of 2014. To the upside, we've got a move up potentially towards 45.50 as the next critical line in the sand. And so we'll obviously keep an eye on that. Monthly, we see really we've had buying volume for the last 4 months. And that seems set to continue. Again, you'll see that pivot high there and the other pivot just above 45. So this looks really for the idea of holding a long-term bought call and selling repeated calls over the top. This looks like an ideal potential setup. We would delay right the sold call until we saw if it challenged this top pivot here. If it didn't, we will continue to delay selling that call and potentially take profit on that. In terms of strike price placement, without going too much into detail, would certainly place it under 42 and maybe even under 40, being the low we saw in January. So that's a trade of interest today. Potentially limited upside, potential long-term trade. For you short-term traders, maybe a scalping opportunity. A move up of $1 in Coke offers quite a good return on investment, maybe in the region of 40 to 50% for a bought call option. Trust that's of interest? And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and training service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.